In the great technological era that we live in, it's much easier to communicate with others, find information, and deal with difficult tasks. But when technology breaks down, what do we do with it? How do we dispose of its components? You might just throw it away in your general waste bin, but this can actually lead to large amounts of electronic waste being sent to landfills, and over 80% is exported around the world, especially China, India, Nigeria, Ghana, and many more countries where regulations are non-restrictive. These landfills burn 85% of e-waste created, which release harmful chemicals and gases into the air. Metals like mercury and lead remain buried within the ground and contaminate the land beneath it and nearby potential water supplies. Workers will manually disassemble your electronics to extract valuable materials like gold through dangerous methods like acid baths for a low wage with no protection from these toxic chemicals. And so the environmental burden of e-waste has shifted to another country. Okay, so you don't want to do that. Then surely recycling is a better option, right? But are you sure that your tech is being recycled correctly? Who's to say that the earlier process won't happen again? After all, only 12.5% of e-waste is recycled correctly. So then why not just keep your device as a backup? Sure, a backup phone or smart device may be a good idea for when your current device breaks down. But are you actually going to use it? Or will you just buy another device to replace them both? Many newer devices use lithium batteries. However, the lithium has been mined through child labour and exploiting mineral-rich countries for our benefit. If we criticise and create solutions for child labour for the cocoa in chocolate, then why aren't we doing the same for the lithium and other metals in electronics? So, what can you do to reduce your e-waste? Firstly, repair the device if possible. Often, it's much cheaper to replace an old battery or screen than buying a new device outright. This can increase its lifespan, reduce the number of devices being sent to landfill each year, and decrease the need to manufacture new ones. If you no longer want your device, clear its data first. There have been numerous cases of identity theft and fraud from people unlocking devices and reading old messages, looking at photos, or opening apps containing sensitive information. Make sure to factory reset your phone to ensure this information is inaccessible to the next user. Then, you could donate your old electronics to refurbish them and give them a new life for a new owner. The device could be stripped for parts to repair other devices, or even fixed for a different purpose. If your device is beyond repair or refurbishment, dispose of your device safely. Go to a certified recycling centre and ensure they are following the necessary procedures. They should mechanically shred your electronics to separate it into useful materials and smelt them to be reused. Make sure that the centres are certified to avoid landfill and environmental issues. Finally, hold companies accountable. As a consumer, you want to make the most out of your products. You can campaign for durable products that are made to last and easy to disassemble for repairs and separation for recycling. You can also fight for sustainable packaging materials to reduce your device's overall environmental impact. Take-back and repair schemes can also be implemented to encourage and raise awareness for Second Life electronics and repairs, and campaign for stricter legislations. Without proper laws, companies will continue to export their waste to other countries and continue to exploit their workers for our benefit. It's up to us to remain vigilant and rise up to protect our environment and our people.